How do you create a custom exception class in Java? Most developers throw generic exceptions and wonder why debugging takes forever. Let's fix that. First, decide which parent class to extend. If you want a checked exception that must be caught or declared, extend exception. The compiler will force callers to handle it. If you want an unchecked exception for runtime errors like invalid arguments, extend runtime exception. This choice determines how your exception behaves in the entire application. Next, implement at least one constructor. The simplest is a default constructor with no arguments. But you'll almost always want a parameterized constructor that accepts a message string. This lets you provide context when throwing the exception. You can add multiple constructors for flexibility, like one that accepts a cause exception for wrapping lower-level errors. Inside each constructor, call super to pass values up to the parent class. For a message, use super with the message string. For a default constructor, just call super with no arguments. This ensures the exception framework properly stores the message and stack trace, making debugging actually useful. Now throw it when your business logic fails. You can catch it specifically in a try-catch block to handle that exact error case. This makes your error handling precise instead of catching everything with a generic exception. Custom exceptions turn vague errors into clear signals. Extend the right parent, add constructors, call super, and use it. Practice this on Interview Mentor. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.